Fuck only be a giver to God who made me. Get on your no. You got like a thought to Oh shit. Fuck only is a giver.
This week,
A whole year.
This year,
What is all this? What is all this? What can you tell me? What's the problem? Eh? A whole year.
Onwe is onye na-eme ya ka o si eje m n'arụ. That's why I'm back.
Hello. Yeah. We good. Is this a very serious allegation? This is one is okay to qualify. Is how you level. Hey, yeah, I yeah, because
Kana wago bo maka daka. Owo ọzọ na afụ achaba maya ma m nọ maka na ma dị emezi travel ka ogin. Asaba nọ na owo na maya.
In Asaba. Okay. Asaba. No community in Asaba. Had on a strike. What's going on? Habas. Yeah?
I'm maka economic. I'm ka o si dị sha.
Ọ na-abụ maka economy.
I'm maka economy. Ha na achaba azụmahịa ka m na-akọ.
Maybe Nina say I will take on however.
Ego.
Welcome. This my sister. They never touched Kuntu since this year. Obabela Kafia. Hey, Nana Kwana. Oh, no, like is that a honestly? Hey! This Friday is kicking off good. I love it. I like it.
You like what?
Wonder Man in the house. Wonder Man. Wonder Man about the pads. Okay,
What's your
hold
topic,
on.
Waga?
I'm telling you that I'm asking a simple question. I'll argue this week. Go on and organize your mind. I'll argue this week. Yeah? I'll argue this week. I'll argue this week.
Can you say English a little bit?
Okay, okay, I'm beautiful from Nepal on Canada. Was those nipples active this week?
No.
I'm sorry.
Month.
Eh?
Nobody have touched it.
Yeah. More than 3 months or days?
No, months. Last time someone touched it was when I went to Nigeria.
Hey. All the way to Nigeria. You finasa, I'm nasa. What of us? Yes. What of Anna? What of the downside? Nobody touched it.
June, since July.
So that means it will look like it will have cobwebs.
What? it's clean and good.
It's not a matter. It's not a matter of clean and good. Do you go inside there and clean it? Is it outside need cleaning?
I'm waiting for my boo to come.
That's a good one. Your boyfriend there, Alabama. Yeah. They say your boyfriend there, Alabama, true. No, she's lying. What do you say she's lying? In Alia, you say she's lying. What's wrong with this?
I'm lying.
Don't mind these people. Okay, let go. This also.
I don't use fake stuff, my dear.
Network guy and you more engagement. Honey, daddy. Yeah, position where. Organ hold on.
No, someone said that I use fake what's it called? Fake toy. I don't use fake toy, you know that.
You don't use fake toy. In terms of foreigners, okay. In terms of foreigners,
he said he doesn't believe. He said he doesn't believe me. Why you don't believe me? I don't use fake toys. I mean, it's nasty.
Don't mind these people. First of all, let's be talking first.
No, I don't use fake stuff. No. It's disgusting.
So I see. You know. It's being single. Everybody single everywhere. Once you ask a little question, single everybody. This is another year wrapping up. December is around the corner. I know we all made plans.
He said I should stand up. I will stand up for you.
If you keep reading those comments, you will do that what they say. Don't be reading the comments if you don't want to do what they say.
Go to my site.
Me and you they talk. They read comments.
No, I'm talking to you. I got waiting now. You know I love you.
You be reading comments. I'm single, but I'm not in a rush. The question why they ask you now be saying, all the single people were there.
Yeah.
What can plans again? They are saying you are not bad. You know, they like you. You see these guys here, they like you. Once they saw you come inside, they are beginning to tell me Ngozi is here. If not for anything, the lips. I see them writing it. They say, if not for anything, the lips.
Well, thank you.
And they didn't even know you were coming with nipples also. What a lovely evening.
That's so bad.
What a
I swear down.
lovely evening. Lego don't ever.
You're so bad.
They didn't have the slightest idea that you were coming with nipple also. Hello?
Wagaji.
I want.
Hey,
why bye? Why?
Have fun.
I did. Why bye with open seas?
How are you, beautiful?
Ooh,
I love her nails.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Have fun.
I do. Why bye? You because you know number that I need in a cake you got the mona on a mona chief. While you see me like this, see me. That's about yeah. But then I need rough manner. What are you talking? You look at face where? In the name rough man. See fine girls today. See them. They don't hold their prick. See fine girls today. What is all this?
Friday night. And we are home.
Don't tell. Friday. The Friday started early today.
Yeah.
You see that the OPP group lifestyle. That people will make somebody crazy. You know. I woke up early in the morning, see better doggy. Tau. I just open my phone. Now what they use?
Are you serious?
6 a.m. Doggy done the hammer for phone. Cow. He drop us in head. Sir. Yeah, I know. Hey. You see how I'm gonna be here. You see,
what does black mean when someone says I like the black one? I thought we all black.
No, the thing is that you are, you are fair in complexion.
I thought we all evil and we all black.
No, because welcome. Because like this week, you know, I want the black one. I want this one. Yeah.
And now, I'm on live video here. I think, when did you come on live last? She was also on that live.
I ain't turning on over here.
Where was it?
Very good.
Well, the last time was it?
On live. That was when now. I'm chicken na life.
I'm quite Sinamoga because
what did she say?
She just got something. She's now in the same boat with you, with your 3 years cobwebs, 3 months. She's not in the same boat with your. You've been.
Oh, okay. She got some.
She got something.
Okay. We gotta shake the ass.
And she said it was a fantabulous son.
When did you get one? When did you get one?
Alapogago.
Don't tell anybody.
Just
don't tell everybody. Everybody's hearing you.
Oh, just Wogaro or romantic.
On the romantic now, you know. Oh Jesus, how come I spare?
Because you did all first of all.
If I like working dark guys, you know.
In the ginger's body.
Oh, what got happen?
I'm going to get you telling you hit it.
Mano, me here na batama what you get. It's sure waga na one. But the moment in just made this thing, it's sure waga.
Went away.
See, I know. Because you see, gonna one goes 247. Because you be having headache often and on, right?
Yes, I do.
Oh, it's a pity.
You need to
It's a pity. Yeah. You need stretching.
Headache.
At least you stretch. If for this my sister now, ala program. Hi, your spec. So romantic, all right, romantic.
You know, gently, slowly. Okay, four cousin. You know, this four cousin is a very.
Maybe if
okay, with the four cousin that go wine.
So on a Japan Okrito.
The question now.
What the aim? Is your normally
4 cousins.
You get ina agba mmiri gị na aṅụ cousin ahụ ya na aga gị na ebe na-adị hụ mma. Oh Jesus.
This 4 cousin. I've heard about this 4 cousin. I'm a catch in the video. Because Ngozi, have you heard of 4 cousin? It's a drink called 4 cousin.
I don't know what's 4 cousin.
Oh, you are Iba American.
Okay, explain to me.
They say it goes.
Wine. It's a wine.
Okay, wine. They say it goes to the clitoris.
So when I drink wine, it goes. It goes through my.
Yeah, so, they say this particular 4 cousin. Once you drink it, your clitoris will be doing shagara.
Okay. Does it make you squirt?
I don't squirt.
Well, I squirt.
Okay.
I don't squirt. But
easily, or you need.
No,
it's very
when someone that I love and I'm into touch me like my boobs or down there. Of course, I make it rain.
So somebody can touch only boobs and you
not somebody, someone that I'm in love with. My boyfriend. Yeah.
Yes. Like suck boobs now. Suck boobs in your car. It does happen. It does happen.
No, I mean, I don't know. I don't know how to come like regular girls. I was born like that.
Oh, how do you come then? Raining.
I squirt.
Straight. Nothing less.
No,
just
I don't.
Straight.
I don't get that. I don't like do that. Like yummy stuff that girls does. I just squirt.
Immediately.
No, not immediately. Like maybe like 4 times. It depends if you're good and if you do the right thing.
Okay, so this squirt, is this something we can get to it in like 40 minutes, 45 minutes? Is this something?
No, squirting, it's very, very sexual thing. Like girls that squirt, like, okay, let's say my boyfriend and I were kissing.
I'm not.
Now, just say he wants you full option. Just because say men want see full option, you go ask question. This girl scrape. You see, if I come this word again, I go be mad. I love men. Don't see what question we ask. This girl scrape. Yeah. Just because say you want see 360. See hey, nna biko okay, enyoro man okay.
No. Squirting and inyo different now because there's some women that squirts. There's those squirts. There's some that fake it. You can't fake something. Get behind Bama men and be the mud.
Of course. Squirting. Gambo. I know something. Senior something. Years ago, I knew something. Hey. Oh yeah. So Charlie, one can you go to?
3 times.
No, go get it. One little see her. I can't keep them on there.
It's been long now. Now, I know my friend this year, so it's been long. I know my mother.
Sorry, Waga. Someone was calling me.
See, they are even beginning to stone me. Where is Ngozi? Yeah, see,
I'm
Ngozi.
sorry. Yeah, but someone was calling me.
Oh, okay. Yes, continue, my dear. I can hear you. This my sister here got something good. Always spoke with.
So like I was saying, Waga. So people that squirt, it's not like, it's not it's not a pee first. Let me let you guys know that it's not.
Yeah.
I study medicine, so I know. I have studied it. It's very, very. I mean, I prefer than regular cum.
Okay, you prefer that one than regular cum?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it makes me feel very good. Like when I can come like 5 times.
And it doesn't make you feel like that one.
I mean, what I'm saying that we have that ability to come more than 5 or 6,
5 or 6. No, real ultra. I see you.
And you sleep well.
Hold on. No. If you come 5 times now, dead body you go be. Maybe this one. In your 5 times, you pass out.
But I will
the last one, you just enjoy it about there like this. You wouldn't even wash off. You just lie down there.
The only problem is that you always make the bed wet. That's the only problem. So we always have to buy the sheet over.
Yeah, you go to Macintosh. Buy waterproof. Yeah, put under the bed.
Well, we do. We have when you Home Depot, they have like this thing.
Macintosh. Yeah. If you have children that wee on the bed, you have to know what is Macintosh.
It's not wee.
Okay, no, I'm just talking about children. That you sweat anyhow. I know that sweating is not something. Waiting is not something.
I don't know why all the ladies does that too.
It's not something you can just go and catch and come back. No.
No.
It's not all ladies that.
No, I'm not from Obayan. I'm from Ogidi, man. Shit. I'm Ogidi.
Some girls always fake that thing. They'll just pee on the bed and they say, like,
No,
me, I don't.
they don't. It's not a fake. It's not.
No,
it's...
that's what I'm saying. Some people fake it and they just pee. You perceive the smell, it's pee. Do you
understand?
know
the smell. You can tell this. You can tell.
It doesn't smell like pee now, right?
So it doesn't smell like pee.
Yeah.
No.
So me, I don't do it. I've never done it. I have a friend that used to tell me an honest script that my girlfriend, we used to talk now, you know, she would tell me she went to this place, she's scared and all that, right? But I've never experienced it. I've not had it. I've like when I was so with my friend, I was so wet, but it never came. So it's not my kind of thing. Like I've never experienced it before.
You can experience. You have to be like you have your body. I don't know how to explain. You have to be. I'm born with it, so I don't know.
Yeah. I think. Let's take it this way. You say you have to be. I think the word you are looking for. So much into this guy that even if the guy touch you like this, you fit come. Abi?
No. No.
Okay, or is it the skills that will bring it up?
Yes. Like let's say like when he's eating like grocery.
Oh,
yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, from eating self you sweat.
Of course, like
okay, wait. Eating like grocery, is it a combined gesture or one argument?
Combined.
Okay, combined is a lot. Okay. 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 Eating and okay.
Eating and sucking.
Okay, and sucking. Okay. Munching.
Okay.
I'm munching.
It's a snack. Movie and a dinner. You got the movie, you got dinner, and you got snacks, and you got wine.
What's not is a snack. You
got the whole bunch. You know when you go to movie theater, you got everything.
Yeah. And if you can't get small galas where they upward pipe, what time you do?
You know what Little Win said. Right? Little Win said he loved when they make it rain.
Oh yeah.
I mean, black American like to make it rain.
Make it rain. I go find umbrella. Put up.
Nah, you need more than that.
We're gonna have one day now. Yeah? It's a meat pie. No, on a more serious note, that's good though. Oh, from eating, you can do anywhere.
It's a sexual thing.
Yeah, it's not every girl that come from eating. Like this, my sister here. I can't ever make her like her eating. I'm not come on. Olive, on a gabba.
You can tell she's freaky though. You can tell she's freaky. You can tell she's freaky though.
No, see, not liking head doesn't mean you are not freaky. I know a girl that is very freaky.
Like head.
Some. You don't know.
When you have your man, when you're married, you have a man. You must give head.
No. Some women don't even like it. That's what I'm saying.
Some men
doesn't like it.
They don't like eating too.
Like?
See, some men, I know one guy that doesn't like to receive head. Yes, Igbo land. I say the punishment I will give that guy.
Is he gay?
I don't know. He's not gay, but you say he puts him in.
Okay.
What man doesn't like to receive head? Are you serious?
pussy me.
Oh my God, this guy said he doesn't like it.
You want us to ask? You see them asking.
How many guys here likes head, and how many guys don't like head?
See, let me tell you something. There's a
like
girl that you like. Hold on. I want to fuckery. That's girl fuckery.
Yeah, where's fucker?
She should be around somewhere. Very soon she will come around. See, let me tell you. Fuckery said she doesn't like after soccer. No, like her. Yes.
What?
Yes. So see, let me tell you. More chiche. That's why I always ask for manual.
It's thin. If
you have to ask for
if I meet a man and I ask a question, you don't like to give head, you don't like to receive, you don't like, and then we're done. We don't have nothing to discuss.
Hey, I love it badly.
Right. Like
receiving
one movie I met today, Wagaji. There's one movie I was watching today. That movie is a Yoruba movie because I understand Yoruba. I love watching Yoruba movies. That movie is all about the woman. She was dating let's call it. They were actually dating, but they were not having sex. So till their wedding night, yeah, man, and the man say, "I'm She now sleeping with one of their church members."
Okay, yeah.
Do you understand? So a man like that, I will now be making out. You will not suck me. I will not fuck you. What are we doing? Nah, yeah, over the door. Oh.
Hold on first. Very good. So what you are talking about is that the engine is not working.
Hey, engine.
At all. And he doesn't give head.
Oh, we have to divorce now.
No.
Listen.
What of toy?
The woman started sleeping with their church member.
No, I won't sleep with nobody. That's not fair. I will divorce the guy. That's not fair. You can't cheat. You just have to go on your own way.
Oh God. Here dead. See, here dead. I can't go to toy and you gube. You just buy toy.
Nothing past physical touching.
But when you don't die now, almost the
real one. Nothing past the real one. Oh, man, and I have a man there. You are you a woman? I don't understand.
That's why I don't believe in. I don't believe in. You have to wait before you have sex. No, we're gonna have sex before we get married, so we know what's up.
Why can't you turn ourselves upside down?
Yes, so.
Marriage is a lifetime.
We have to do different style, everything before we get married.
It's not good for a married woman to cheat outside her husband because it will affect his business or something.
So
now for years, God forbid.
This my brother say I like cribbing. People don't mind. That's why. See, that's why I say, if you like all these things, always subscribe to Isatiana Kage.
Exactly.
Wash it by yourself. See, you sit down. Away wash everything. See, when you eat what you wash with your hand. At least there is a level of confidence. Fuckery.
Fuckery don't care. He breaks it down.
Oh my God.
Fuckery breaks it down.
No, but yeah, what everybody said.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think that you should stay with a man that cannot satisfy you or cannot move like a train. I mean, if I'm moving
like a train. Wait, you say move like a train. So wait, let me ask you, Ngozi.
Uh-huh.
What is it that a man got to do to satisfy you. Okay. What is maximum satisfaction to you? Until you square. Fuck all it.
Sorry, I love you. I miss you.
It's a fuck all, yeah. Hey. Fuck all it.
Because fucker is real. She don't give a damn.
It's a fuck all it.
You shall allow me to breathe.
See, I told you before, more ditchy. But if any Eric and then I saw, fuck all I like Asanya fella. You like Asaga fella well. Always be like Asanya fella well. Abi?
Go at the back of it.
Okay, go. Charo, Nsago, Nsago again I like. That's
You use your tongue, you know.
Eh? I got munch. Eh?
Ile.
Oh, okay. Ile abụkwa nke ọnụ na ya n'etiti ya ka o wee gbasaa ka ị ga na-ekwu ya ka tọwel ikwu onye otu achawara ikwu Forgot no, forgot it. She can't relate.
Who talk about?
But you say you know that I think they don't like you,
That one no mean say me I never do one to person before.
If you go problem.
It's someone bad.
But if you kill forgot man and forgot Adam. You have no GD, Sam, man. I got did the treatment. You have no forgot Giono, man. Or man, basically. No. Don't know drama. So, forgot it. Yeah?
Sir.
Okay, so you na kawana abuna.
Oh my God, yes, you is it get a quantity leggy? If never. You really are married, sir.
Oh, okay, chuchu.
I did tell you exactly.
You see.
Okay. I bet
Bia, onye debe mmiri ya ka mo down. Onye debe
I must say you to okay, how they go there. You want to see where the kitchen $8 is there, your man.
Munching. Now munching. Yeah. So no one here now. When another like ya, somebody like go and here no. So in a kawana or konon and then I see a Saturday like. Oh, that is that the problem.
No, I find it irritating.
Money in a new on your zona.
And then going with sometimes you just have to be adventurous, you know.
You are a giver for Curry. For Curry, you are a food. For Curry, be a giver to God who made me. Get on your no. You got like a thought to oh shit. For Curry is a giver, not a receiver. No, Ngozi ka oge si wee were igburigbu ọnụ chụchụọ ya na okirito. O nwere ka o si kwuo Ngozi you since then Ngozi calm down. I don't know if you are reminiscing how the leaves will be rubbing the old shabara. Calm down.
Because okay, I'm not a lele. Okay, I'm not piha country. I do not like it. Okay, God said man and woman.
This one say Kelly was my ex.
think
Which Kelly? Is this for Kelly? This for Kelly or a different one? Eh?
It cannot be me, oh.
It's you now.
It cannot
Okay.
be me.
Okay.
Only hair with fitness.
Okay.
So, fitness.
So, man, na ba na like ka saga fere. Nwoke saga fere saga fere. Imago si from ebe ahụ gbagotewe. Ị ga-aṅụkwu ya ọnụ feel onye imago feel kwenye. Oh, you have young ones?
That's my daughter.
Oh, okay. She's an adult. Yeah. Akpatakwa n'ebe a boy sa ala anya. Okay, boy sa whatever you see, where is the daughter? Since the mother is like this.
Oh, she came to the kitchen to get something. She went back to the room.
Just don't put her here, boy.
No. She doesn't even understand Igbo. She doesn't.
They don't need her to understand Igbo. These people, they can even speak Chinese to her. Masilanya. When do you enjoy your kuntus? You know, like you enjoy kuntus. When they're a little tipsy, you know, like a drunk set. Or you know, like in Kanyocha.
Who you asking?
Go on, can you know?
Oh,
Fokori.
Fokori. What's your Fokori? Oh, come out.
Like I said, when you're going to their fantasies, you know. Master hug.
Wait, Master hug is guys, me.
That's why I put I go the fire.
Onya, he had just to God, he had get a lap of mother. My
daughter does not understand Igbo because she's born here, my dear. Thank you.
I'll say again.
No, the guy said, oh, your daughter doesn't understand Igbo and you're proud of it. Have her. My daughter is born here and we speak English. Thank you.
My dear, we are dry. Who got dry.
How can a 25 years old still learn how to speak Igbo?
Uncle Waga, there is this question I want to answer. This is a money power. But why do many G that do husband stink in their, I mean their downside? But on a Joe, why so they get buja. So more on a meeting. So that's the answer. All calibers of girls in a meeting. I think you should just change your oil.
On the meet, I know depend on parole. Aga anya kanjas onya kanje kwa kwekugo me aba before sisa tia mmeri if I bro kwa na aje fe add it to your curriculum. It's equally romantic.
Of course.
You know, it's
how to use it.
Yeah, just
how to wash.
In a period, you might even not shave. Ebia or better take your time to kulana. Sanya.
So you're saying that you don't like to receive?
What?
You don't like to receive?
She doesn't like to receive.
I'm a very cheerful giver.
I have seen this type before.
I think it's a big time turn on for me. And
do you know how sweet it is?
I find it irritating. Health otherwise is not nice. You know, health otherwise is not nice.
What?
You know, so I don't wanna give it a chance at all.
Trust me. If you try once, trust me.
No, I'm not thinking about it.
Are you serious?
See.
Yeah.
Ngozi, one thing I have understood about Ihedini Kenamo. Bo first thing first, more iche.
That's true.
It's not how you handle it's how you handle fuckery. That's how you, So that's why I'm just in the MB. Unu na de na bije unu ejo manua. Because I just guru fuckery no we can say hi nothing one sanya fere nganje sanya fere ya.
Ebi azimu na gese woku.
Ebi asi agina fuckery na esi ohun ina sina im na ma ku ya na eme de nwa. Juo ni ajuju na.
Rule number 1.
Eh?
Rule number 1. Ebia. Yeah, kukura aka bifi itinye.
Okay. Okay.
Iwelia epia ya.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's
Okay.
rule number 1.
Okay.
Then rule number 2.
Okay.
You must not melt. I'm that flexible that I can twist to any side each other. So you mustn't take it out.
This is lateral.